What is up, you guys? How you guys doing? This is Martin the GOAT. Thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. So real quick video, probably like 2-3 minutes. I just picked up this GoPro. I ain't never used it. It's like my second time turning it on.
You know how they do ad-libs in the back?
Yeah. It's like my second time turning it on, guys. So we're just gonna go test it out. We're gonna see what happens. So where should we go?
Non-disclosed information. We're gonna catch you guys when we're there.
Let's get it.
Get the outside video.
You want to?
Yeah.
Alright. We got one.
My phone's in here. Wait, yeah, it's right there. Okay. Later.
Minor problems, a little bit of overheating going on. So I'm just letting it cool down right now. I definitely got to do a lot of adjustments before we can really go slide this at the track. But it's gonna get there. Park it, baby. We parking it. We ain't going one more time, baby. Turn that heater on, baby, because we ain't going one more time.
We watched that video. I want to watch it.
Oh, one more time. Hey, one more time. We overheating, right?
One more time.
Get that bitch on full blast. going a little wide though, guys. That was a little wide. That was cool. That was cool. Really gotta get that loaded diff in though, cause it ain't that fun. And I gotta get some burners because those Federals 255s are way too grip right now. I ain't got that much power. Stock always. But it was cool. It was cool. It was cool. I got so much dirt in my eyes, guys. Oh my god. That's so much dirt. I'm sorry if that was a little disappointing for you guys. I'm telling you, there's a lot of adjustments I'm still gonna make. Well, the diff gotta come in. I need an alignment because my alignment is super off. I need some better tires for sliding because those are too grippy right now, and especially right now because they're hot, so they're even more grippy. But adjustments are coming. They're coming. Trust me. Sonoma track is opening up in like 3-4 weeks. We gonna be there, not opening day, but the week after that. We gonna be there. Catch us in Sonoma and catch me in the next video. Peace out, guys. Sheriff just pulled up from back there, pulled up next to us, and he gets out and he was like, hey, you guys good? I'm like, yeah, what's up, man? He was like, we just gotta call somebody who was out here spinning donuts. You guys didn't happen to see anybody, right? No, man. No, I didn't see nobody.